17th question. Using the properties of determinants, prove that this determinant 1, 1, 1 plus 3x, 1 plus 3y, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 3z, 1 is equal to 9, 3xy plus xy plus yz plus zx. Solution. If we take the determinant given as LHS and apply C1 goes to C1 minus C2 and C3 goes to C3 minus C2, we'll get this determinant after solving it. Now taking common 3 into 3, we'll be left with 9 here, and then minus 1 minus y into minus yz minus 0 plus x into y plus 3zy plus z. Now solving it further, we'll get 9 into yz plus yx plus 3xyz plus yz. Now we'll get the determinant equal to RHS, that is 9 into 3xz plus xy plus yz plus zx, hence proved.